Hello, fellow geocachers and muggles. Today, we're going to teach you how to solve a puzzle that has colors with numbers inside. Stick around, and we'll show you exactly how to solve a puzzle that looks like this. Okay, let's get right into the puzzle. Luke goes for a geocache. GCA52J8. This is a 2 difficulty, 1.5 terrain. I don't think this puzzle is super hard, but for those who don't know how to do it, you may have just a little bit of a problem. Once again, as I always explain, look for all the clues. First thing you're going to do is you're going to read the story about Luke going geocaching. I'll tell you now, I put a red herring on here to throw people off and to teach you guys a little bit about red herrings and people trying to trick you when doing geocaches, or I should say when you're doing geocache puzzles. So with that being said, you see that there are 3 bold printed words. Well, those 3 bold printed words have nothing to do with the puzzle. They're a red herring to make you go over and do the what 3-word conversion and find out that they don't work. Your puzzle is exactly what you see right here. You're going to solve this here using this here. Now, again, check the hint. Magnetic ain't going to help you for the puzzle. Once again, come up here, highlight, nothing hiding. So now that we see the puzzle and we know that these bold words aren't it, we need to focus down here. Okay? First thing you can try, you can go to the geocaching toolbox and you can look up the color conversion. The thing is you don't have any of the numbers that are given to you on the cache page to use color conversion. So that is not it. You could try hex hue, but noticing how hex hue is a color cipher, it requires these patterns. You don't have that either. And then you could try color honeycode, which is going to be triangles with information. Now, when you go back, you have squares with numbers. You don't have triangles with numbers, so that will not help you either. So what do? Think about things that could use colors. Think about things that have colors and orders. And most importantly, read the paragraph. So let's see if we can spot a keyword. It was a beautiful Sunday afternoon in the middle of winter. The weather was so nice that as the morning fog was disappearing, it created a beautiful rainbow, and it was almost 50 degrees outside. Could rainbow be a hint? Since a rainbow has colors, a rainbow has order. I just wonder. Let's check it out. So you have the colors and everything. Now let's see what a rainbow is. So it's red, orange, yellow, green. So we have red, we have orange, we have yellow, we have green. Yep, we have that. Blue, indigo, and violet. Yes, we have blue, we have indigo, and we have violet. So guess what? That could be it. So now, let's use the rainbow to put the colors in order. So now we have, instead of 3912370, we now have 1723093. Could that be it? Could the chords simply be that easy, where you take this, you copy it, you come back to the cache page, you put it in the geochecker. All right, we're good to go. Those were the chords. So once again, wrapping up solving puzzles, you got to take in the information. You got to look for those clues. You got to do the red herrings, but yet you're going to also find out that they don't work. So if you try something, as in this, you try these words for the 3-word conversion, they don't work, don't get stuck on it. Put them in, they don't work, move on. Because red herrings are there to stop you from actually solving. Well, I hope you learned a little bit more today about solving geocache puzzles and not everything being in the geocaching toolbox. Sometimes you have to think outside the toolbox. Now let's show you exactly where Luke Goes for a Geocache container is actually hiding. Just down the road from the other geocache, over there by the stormwater retention pond, you walk down the sidewalk, you come around to the busy road here, and you have the speed limit sign electronically done. And when you come here, right down here at the base, when you come over, I put a magnetic key holder down at the bottom. So all you're gonna do is come in, reach in, and you have your key holder.